they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way.
Yeah. Van Veka na dia boy it in power. Oh, Jimina ya de bia me kan de bia ni o. Unyusu kupe ni dupe. Kupe ni dupe no mo wai. Ana o de supe na ade nam. Hwe adwin mi ka to se gen no onpew gen na ni nyi ho. Gen no da so do boy no. O da so do boy na onya mai de na mo kire no. Me bato wo mo. Me du ho no gen sa ne nam na fono ho na wo fefena no.
Ofena no.
Ofe na no de wan for fena fono. I'm say hey. And I'm say me tune for class say oh now precious obi a o scanty. Say the scanty see doing. Scanty no e hwan. Hwan your friend scanty. Ade na me tell me boy enim na obo bi hunu bidin.
Sana precious say.
Hey. And the scanty obi hunu. Bra, e ma de wan we omboku o. Wan e ku something. What I catch up wan e ku something.
Dilala. So about.
Dilala. Wan e dada Adam.
Obana
Bukre. Enti sana o scanty oba betima ku afiri wiase. E madam fu million ku be obulite e fa ni pages. Ono no ton talimpo na se bi kakra woni sem mu no. Oba te na koma. Bra fi de oba shop on no oyi ntale ne che. Oyi ntale na ni ba no ho so no. Na you know shop na empty shop. Na wo scanty. Scanty.
na se me won te makoma na se me oba
Where watch there?
So also ante ase.
Was a creamy hard guy.
Oba ma pe no ante ase de me de. Ono a se.
Na se mfa ho.
Ne, mfa me. Se ne ex. We pra na o well,
I can't. I pay ya again. Yen international yen can be being because again I pay me yaso sabe go back to the ex no.
Oh, that be tie Opoku.
Say them see who relationship no. Say again it tia say mama on. Bra. Ayi ne abidi pragia den no kra be gina nchen. Mu fatam ho. Ana wo steady hu.
Me dem hu bo no na.
Mu fatam ho to the extent say as a mokala no and I was gina so. To get no ben say na start mo si gina odi nkomo ni ade. Na me fe. E me yaso o yesa o. Me ti o me ra akosa na ukoye. Ukoye sisi a o kra ne keke o. Mo afena no.
Afena no. My man hu pa.
Ade. Afena ewura o.
Ora be.
She bobobo. Broken heart ne ba. Am I dey?
We.
Omo
Ma hu.
Da fa ho adwene me guess bebre o school ma. Meti be yi kura ma. Gay ya on de bia Natalia amamo. Gay ya wabon e busa 2+2 o se enye.
Grace tete.
Meti me de grace tete amao. On me che
me bia ma dwen.
Onu ni ho no.
One me to se dan precious. Ni meti a wotiti jollof mame.
Na
wo se na vibe.
Me wo che fe. Na ye me fe.
Na hwede esi ne.
Na se de na meti a chire na me sresre. Na me fe but we are see there sir.
Me na ma so and start na car say.
Ka wo se utie me se je wa nusu.
Enye siewi ba me nya me ya o.
Oh se me ya wo se nyo ya.
Oba on ti ase.
And de nyo ya mate. Then you swallow every animal because I say, oh, me buy in an agent every animal.
I know anything.
If you are not anything, say the way see, we are not anything.
Boy, you come inside.
Obeko, there and there.
Nido no use you na.
Nido.
Send a car sachet no for.
My use to akatu. Super no guy. Well, no one for one fra. Why? Mo de bobo say ya. I heard the woman call frama. Asi ampanyin fe na wudina wana wo ye hema na de mi matete mi mowrem artist ka koto aduane abre oba eso oba no de abre mu mienu ti wodi ye tete hwe wanum sa de hye no e sheme ena so egusu sheme na we ti aduane no revenge no kura nya mai we mu Genesis revenge na nkasa no enya mai ene again ni ma On can't just can't say day na aduane na omudi ne na yemi maduane. Na omfa misika mami. Se ne sa dia bitu Nyankopon ma wukra nkeye.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
What's up? Why are you giving me attitude?
Oh no, I'm not giving it to you. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh no, I'm okay.
Have you fought with anyone? You don't seem okay.
I'm okay.
Are you really sure? Well, I was looking for a certain math book of mine. And then I wanted to ask whether you found it or something. Maybe it's in your bag. When did you start talking to me this week?
Oh, I said no, I haven't seen it.
Okay. Have you eaten? Have you eaten?
Yeah,
What did you eat?
some rice.
You don't seem comfortable. Are you okay?
Oh, I'm okay. Because I'm okay.
You're acting weird. Is everything fine?
No, I'm okay.
Have I done anything to offend you?
No, why should you think so? I'm okay.
Yeah, kind of giving me. Is everything fine at home or something?
Yeah, everything is fine.
You're getting me worried.
Oh, don't be worried. Don't care.
Scanty.
Yeah, that's yours.
Don't get this. Is this about the proposal? Because I've not understood or something.
Oh, nah, you know, that one, it's your choice. You know, it's your choice. You can just.
But I hope that's not the reason you're giving me attitude.
I said no.
If you say so. But are we good?
Yeah, we are good.
You are going to buy something. Can you escort it?
Oh, nah. I have something doing inside.
Oh, it's just there.
Oh, yeah, I know.
I can't go alone.
I know.
So you want escorting?
Oh, not that I want to school too. Like, I'm also busy. So like,
But you're sitting. I came to meet here.
Yeah.
I came to meet you here alone.
I was just about to go inside and just came.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay.
What are you doing inside?
Just some one or two things, some guys things.
I won't take long. Just escort me. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Please.
Just have something doing. So let me attend to it. Okay.
Are we
Next
fine?
time. Yeah, we are cool. We are cool.
But you're still sitting here. I don't think you have something doing inside.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to go so that I also leave.
You're waiting for me to go.
Yeah. You know, I just can't let you be standing here and I'll just walk out. Do you get it?
So you want me to leave?
No, I don't want you to leave, but you'll be leaving already.
Just escort me out.
Oh, precious. Have I ever turned my back on you before?
But you are right now.
No, I'm not. So you should just understand me. I'm doing something inside.
Oh. We won't take long. We are just going back here to buy something and come back.
Precious. I have something doing inside. You cannot leave me. I'm sorry.
Oh, Scanty.
Precious, I have something doing inside. You let me go.
Scanty, are you really leaving?
Oh, no.
You're leaving. You said no. What did I do? I don't remember doing anything wrong too. Oh, I said something. It's probably because I've not accepted his proposal. I told him that I'm thinking about it. So what should I do now? I should just accept. I'm so tired.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me know know the parties they
No,
come.
Scam, you were walking in a weird way. Meanwhile, you said you are fine. Why?
Oh yeah, yeah. You see, when the sun is raining and I'm walking on the sun, sometimes my head will be headache me. So it is not my fault. Where are you going?
I was going to buy something. I even wanted somebody to escort me.
Eh, me too. I'm tired. Though.
Oh.
You let's go.
I asked Kanti to escort me. He said he won't. And he was giving me attitude the whole time.
Kanti was giving you attitude.
Yes. I don't know what I've done to him. He just left. I was talking to him. He just left.
Boy, your car so by pam. Why?
What did he say he would do?
Hey,
Why did I do something bad?
Nipanyo.
Why?
Hey,
Opoku, talk to me. What?
but just says Kanti na get fufu.
But if he has gotten a girl, how does it affect me?
And no for this side, meaning say how, but catch him say I. Obepe na wo chichi children no. Ono wanya get fufu until this time around. Ono so be chichi no ho agu so.
Ah, so that's the reason.
But so obe flex this time around. The obe flex one who say yes or flex
But I asked him why. And then he told me that that's not the reason. I even suggested, I was like,
So-
is that the reason? He said no.
so on can't chiro. Ah, obi a all stress so on can't chiro. Ope so flex yo. Minim there but girl no minim when you get fufu but girl no me say hu say girl ni. But when you get fufu.
But you see, he initially told me that he has a girl at home.
Yes, and no na che no dey say ne wife. The owo fie no dey no na ne papa ne maami a hyehyɛ ho so ba wale no.
So that's the reason he's giving me. But we were friends before he started talking about that.
Also no be pɛ usa na wo wan pene no. When you be fufu nti nipa no I think say ono so ono say dey see fresh no no ono so be fresh you be. Ti we dey draw of fresh wa. Na kura ho e mo wa. Ah, boy you stress you say Jana chidi na e pɛ be fufu ye.
But he's a good person. I want him to be my friend.
No say opɛ ono wan pene a untimi nya na danfo.
Oh, really?
Ah, o say ma ni bia. Ono so
Ah,
opɛ.
but who does that these days?
Also opɛ pa na say wan pene a. Onye sure say obetima na danfo. Because who call watch a who say watch a who do na watch na san. Obe ma watch a the fans. Maybe we down when you so that's what is it.
Oh, Opoku, are you sure?
I'm very sure. I'm more than perfume.
You talk to him for me.
Me.
Just tell him that if I'm not going to ask, at least he should be my friend.
No nim kasa me ne kasa. Okache mtu when you get for no say oh at least when you get for precious there. You need to you when man because precious there. Me who say get ne pawasem. O say ai get ni no be me amehwe na sum. Get ni no be me ametia ne yam. Hey.
I'm not sure Scanty will say that.
Also, share one a different. And we share me so a different. I say I won't offend too. I dare say who I won't offend to be done.
Seriously?
I say again, I when you no get no friend. Now, when Nima de better to honest again in them. Mammy called them in Persevere will be once and once I sudden the minimum. Tell me, say will be an army could be once someone.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh,
Thank
no,
you for
don't.
letting me know. Because I was really worried. I thought I had done something really bad.
I know again. First will be only near close when you get for nice. Or more attitude. No, na me kwa mama
that then he's acting so petty.
Petty, yes. Me kwa mama attitude.
Why?
Ah, so when you get for say e basa na attention bo wa ko dige ne ho. Nti me kasa na ho kra zo ofi me aso ofi me. See.
You have heard you.
Eh, na dey na aye woni.
Oh.
Oh.
Is there stress so?
I say me we school me kwa study omo mo hwe ni anomotopoti.
Optometrist.
Optometrist.
They are optometrists.
Optometrist.
Optometrist.
Optometrist. Omo mo hwe ni no. Me we school no na me kwa kwa
don't
yenti
make
no.
me laugh.
Why? Nti hwe ho ye. Why?
Okay. And the sun scorches. It doesn't rain. The sun scorches.
The scan scorches.
The sun scorches.
It doesn't rain.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now me dey na.
What?
Oh.
Oh, Opoku really?
So say baby say na baby ye.
Oh, no for Opoku.
P for precious.
In case of anything, I'll come for you for advice.
Okay.
Thank you for being there.
Gang
for
shit,
me.
do this. Gang shit.
I can't.
Do it. Say gang shit.
Okay.
Gang shit. P for precious.
Oh, for Opoku.
Okay, I'm going to the dormitory so we shall meet.
I heard your call, Sonia. And I'm going. Sonia, bye bye.
Scanty never say Jimmy natural. Then I precious with your friends on it. And we not to the Trimsano. I walk about my next friends on you.
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me punk when I mean the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso Jamaica. Me person me come any monster with Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh my Ukanya, oh my
anyways, the brightness of the day has given me the opportunity to write to you this letter. I'm from Opoku Wilson, and I saw you coming, and I see that you are very pretty and handsome. Okay. Please, do you understand Tree?
I am teaching.
Oh, teaching any I'm make us a very busy. More for Papa.
Medas.
Every father, oh, yes, school mobiana.
Dabi.
Who needs school movie? Now, what's a heifer?
Meteor, a chron.
Ahana.
If you will.
Nechi. Oh, wow. More for Papa.
Medas.
Wow, one uncle school bay.
Pachominko school.
One way. Oh, nice. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
It's my pleasure. Me pacho Aroma mede Opoku. Na pacho onso e.
A friend is saucy.
Saucy. Aroma obetimi am 360 na marade. 360 at least. Adi! Dia! Omachi go! Adi.
Bro, we okay.
Ebedi ni o, se de ebedi ni.
Aden.
Adi. Sa fansa fam ya mama. Ha. When somebody smooth, Papa. A plane crash. Oh, plane crash. Hey, what a woman. Ain't I me fro purposely and purposely. Pacho. Who am I? Any castle bar, sister, or your bar. A bed ni moon. A bat tour. Sister, a girl of your caliber.
Oh, I didn't tell from.
What a woman may come back. Show nice form, sister. Oh, your bar. Ghana, my account far. Oh, me found share 4. Me found share 3. Me found share 2. Me do better number 1.
Okay.
So fair Ghana most beautiful and come from Obama Heko. Hey. Fair. The tintin ni tie man sister. Me hu sisiano. Me ni ajo.
Okay.
Besenka me no tenananka. Pese e twempana.
Unti me me twempana.
Se
we school ni.
Oh, na se
pempenifo. Se se we mo mbe mama dwen.
Sister say me hye me mama achi ana. Na me hye o me na mama na so.
Me nka so hye o mama achi, but uko school, me go school.
I know, but say normal. And them say me din komo no. Wan hye den tie mu ye. Me hya ope kokrafo mo na betiti scam we di me boa.
Oh, yes kan ko at least obama me nyansa kakra.
Say
mo boys in the center.
Na ya adwen ofom. No clear. See, baby, I don't know many Jehovah. I like your confidence. Okay. I like your confidence. I'm saying me didn't come on. Me starting one team ye. Me see me plane crash.
Okay.
Next, we are me papa whisker. Intina me plane crash because
so papa whisker. Your papa no whisker. You wanna whisker.
Yes. Oh, na some papa wa me wo. Because any ordinary person e be kwa kunya plane crash. E you be a savvy. Omo kakra wo obusem. Me papa ye adwuma wo. iPhone office.
Okay.
Omona, I say iPhone ya na Apple bi de kire. Omona ya omoka ho. Papa. Ti hu o hwe me sekra me sen. Hu se me se papa sen. Ti ye na ya papa na ya ka iPhone ho. Apple no, on na ya ka ho. Aroma, ase me yo bu bebiri on. Aroma be die misro. For akuma mama wate na yentina. Me nteteo sister me kire wodo kan wo de waso nkokrafo na hwe so student nso hwe but so student wo de hwe mama 1 week pe wo de so me hwe 1 week pe
nothing
Me wo hostel.
Oh, hostel.
Your hostel wo asia honom sa.
Nti ka we.
Me ankasa de ma paki sifie.
Oh, sir.
Anso wo ba hostel on timi fa ka ma. Ti wadaroma. Because you too.
Okay.
Yeah. Ti wadaroma me.
Medjuna ho.
Kasa wo dwene ho de anase amana ye long.
Oh, me am long say. What's a small boys no crown no mo fashion ma.
So me tro say me papa.
Nti me wanya kwa me se medjune ho kra. What's who say me ni je ho ba.
Mate. Me pese kasa no be long. Wo de
ma anya yi.
For number mo me na ya na.
Pacho wa bubo.
Wo sa chi ho kakra ho. Normal ho fentin. For mommy.
053.
O ka hwe mani mu na say de green grass musa o number. Me na me bisa number say o ka hwe green grass.
So wa aso nti me kasa wo.
No correct.
053 120 1818.
1818. Our number is 10 no. Pacho udin di say.
Pacho who bisa me se
Sauce. Na udin ala sa o kra din di say.
Akua.
Inti akua sauce adan. E dey adia o ma chiguo.
Me pacho wa wi.
Inti wadaroma.
Ena me ko.
Mate. Can I get a hug?
No, please.
Oh, at least.
At least what?
Hug.
No.
Na pege.
Hug
kura wa na pege no kure. Ichi chino. Obo chichi no hu say ya o first day ni say oba kire no ho achichi no ho agu so saa. Na we mi man be 1 week fe. Oba fole mamia. Ebe ni fe keke. Ushi oba no ochi no ho kire oda yedi. Relax da form no. No opinion no be down paso a. Gay. Ma what wo bia ma wona wo brego gay. Ma wona mani we be fini ma mi di.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months I do me.
Oh eh. Oh there's animal ma woni. Nyame love bro. Yes, we have exams. Come see next 2 weeks we said.
Guys, I'm sliding bro. Can I yam shishimi?
Alright.
Who can I yam shishimi? Charlie.
I want my old there so no my dear.
Leave for me.
Ever move there so upon crab on the same bibia. What drink come? Na ya no day. Yeah.
Because
Yes, uncle for now. The best answer why you need pay. She need trim.
you go to TV.
Yes. And say baby years and so near bibi actually bibi so.
You did that paper.
Yeah, nyame. Moto no. Nyame. Nyame adum ti be matro, ye be pass so. Sku na menene mu de na menim. Menim yo. Menene mu kwa. Nyame adum protocol. Ena favor bi na me de nam sku mu.
Na krono ankasa.
Exam so krono. Student bi no be ka so on copy da. What be say kwa be copy. Jono. Ena we so nyame adum precious precious achi. Nti ba
no abin ho.
Abin kito e na ma ha.
Na kwa we be copy ni din o.
When they me copy, what one din? English. No English what try letter, formal letter. So try hi. This is me precious. Chebe hu. Make my copy actually din ka ho.
Actual hi, this is me precious.
My try hi, this is me precious. Enti you na ma ke say braki.
Also there.
I no firm say I don't know me try hi it's me precious. Come see ye say sorry. I'm a trap prince and precious.
Hard guy.
And you
My heat now your boy was I'm so no kwa na hard jiki. At least I be my that tight na dey tro.
Emma you be a who support down chair. On come. But in Korea and chu Korea.
So then I won't change it.
Yes. No, who said that one new there? So what you translate or not you? But I said, who to try any down or the barbecue
On the change is once and another TV.
Hey,
Once and another.
I'm back where I bet you any pay message. But that's when you be an Ayamashu.
Most let me check it 1 2
Sir,
you know. You know.
and that's
Indomie.
Buy no hwe on sane you.
Ani mu wo me bebe
Na na fa point.
Che, na me we no kwa kra me mfantwe. We no kwa.
Aroma no.
Obi sama se wo sawa ba ho.
Hey, Scanty. Tamana vijna. Huh?
Now when I'm starting Aroma,
Oh,
first.
na Aroma dey me ne here kan say.
Because that no, me buy na precious. Banijin and sour. Star now near Aroma ne vibe no. By Sadana, my tension was soon. By a net in command mood dinner, send a more chance. I said, no, only Aroma, I'm also a so I carry my own same trim is Aroma. I say, why is it?
Scanty dey am wan so papa. Ah, nti ba bia nipa nyina green ti da bia na nipa ne nipa bako.
That be you.
Besides nipa no so me ne wo school mu ha. Nti se madam fo no wa me me ne obi foforo nothing gada. Ah? Ebe wo no ma bia ate wo nyusu kupe ne dupe.
That be send Aroma on your friend. Oh no, cry no, sorry, or pay and tokwasa.
On a pen. Ah, Aroma ma me cat me cho. Aroma time ma o school mu am. No am closest friend. And o ko Jimmy bi ma me ne ntembe yi kaka. First pan on name close friend. Close. That's a closer. Obi of ben pan on name closest friend. But as a mistake bi na say me dog ne kaka. Ansa na o ba. On me tell no.
Say there masa ba.
Oh,
my friends.
On say ni yen kan bat. Nye say bia ni kan kora. Be free kaka. Na de we oba me ne. Ne nkomo keke ne etu we di. Eh, be ma so twekura yi. Ah. We be na fofo ane nyina ye wo school ba kum. Wa ba wote me nchen ye di nkomo a ye no Martin. E bi si da. Oh, Scanty wo ye no ma bia aje. Adweno wo from kakra. Na kwen.
Me call dining hall.
Hey. But di dining sa na funa.
It is Aroma your friend.
Oh, na Aroma me so I be
tell. Why Matthias say no your friend. And son me boss kuna muntim ti say what's up.
Ye nye say ye ntemti say ye dane enemy so. On say ase unu obi wo honum na nipa na say o divert afa ba bia. No ja nipa no divert. Oh, but when nye say ye jaya yon kofa na ase bita. Me kasa. Aroma me hia ne ko ha. Me ko hia no ha me ne be di nkomo no ma. Oh no dey sana me ne tie. We say abetu say na ye tie di nkomo. O china bo hu ye ne ye ku. Nti normal thing. Bye. Normal thing. Na say wo dey me no dey say it say. Nti nsuro chi. Ona. Look at how I'm from now.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum me yeah. Me person me come any months so when me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy
But cafe was a best of the kakra no music. Any fast na.
Opoku. AKA Sonny. What's up? Who is this fine lady? She our new wife.
No. She's a cleaner.
A what?
A cleaner.
A cleaner.
Yeah,
Oh.
I pick her from the roadside.
Wow, she's really pretty to be a cleaner.
Yeah,
Really?
so she's coming to clean my clothes for me.
Wash your clothes.
Yes,
Oh,
went
okay.
to.
Oh, okay. So a laundry girl.
Yes, laundry girl.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
So where are you going?
I'm looking for Scanty. Can you call him for me?
Scanty, I'm inside. I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey, Debbie. Problems and questions.
Oh, no.
Scanty!
Oh, ask him anything.
Oh, Scanty!
Ask him anything.
Scanty! Come now. Precious is looking for you.
Scanty.
Precious if I'm there to when you know the watch.
So you were inside. I came to knock for some time.
Come to know.
Yeah. Didn't you hear?
Precious is looking for me. Go to him. Mura them in.
How are you? I've been trying to talk to you for some time, but you've always been giving me attitude.
No, I've just been busy. I've just been busy. I want to check something outside.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I want to
talk to you, please. Why are you doing this? Opoku, talk to him for me.
Nene kasana we me nka die biem. Me jira nyina me su gudam so se me nka.
Oh, Opoku, follow me. I want to.
Me follow why?
Oh, Skanky. Don't do that.
Don't mind them.
Shouldn't mind.
Yes, don't mind the
Who?
The girl. The girl and the boy, all of them.
Am I a cleaner?
Skanky, why are you doing this to me?
What am I doing, huh? What am I doing?
You've been ignoring me these days.
No, I'm just giving you some space.
Why are you giving me space?
No guy in that camp, man. Charlie, you should just focus on him. Like,
Which
man,
guy?
You and Aroma. Like, say, now dressing or like.
Aroma is not my guy.
He's your ex, and you are now back together. So, better dressing like you were not even surprised. Like,
I didn't know what was wrong with it. Because I didn't have any bad mentality. It was Opoku that told me that since I'm helping him, he wants Opoku.
Opoku.
Yes. He said he wanted me to help Aroma, and then it was because of him that Aroma got hurt. So I should help Aroma.
Opoku.
I didn't just tell Aroma that I wanted to help.
My own Opoku.
Yes.
He told you to go and help Aroma.
Yes. So is this the reason you've been giving me attitude?
No, that's not the reason, but
I didn't see that there was a need to ask you since we are not dating. Do you get it?
yeah, I know we are not dating.
Yes,
Since
so
you decided not to accept my proposal, I know.
told you that I wanted to heal.
Sometimes you're too ban. We agree to disagree.
Who can you say me a cleaner?
No, I'm not saying you are a cleaner, but I just lied so that the girl won't go and gossip. Why?
Inti sanko funwa na yedi.
And then it's because the girl will come. I could do headmaster name. Headmaster should do the name. I say by school say be there. I must say be master. Must say be medi. Young queen.
When one young queen inside.
Oh, say come on, you didn't come on, be say by inside.
Inti you didn't come on, be say inside.
Tell me ko promo taben.
John boy.
Hey! Saucy! Let me a John boy!
I'm sorry if that made you feel bad, but there's nothing going on between Aroma and I.
Opoku.
It was just Opoku, yes.
Opoku Bilson.
Yes. That's why I wanted to talk to you and ask you what was going on. But you didn't want to talk to me.
He asked you to go and help Aroma.
Yes.
To dress his wound.
Yes.
And you didn't even think twice about it. You just went.
I told him I wouldn't do it, but he told me it was his fault that Aroma got hurt, so I should help Aroma. I wanted to talk to you, but like I felt like we are not dating it to be.
But at least you were supposed to inform me first, or maybe.
That's why I'm saying that I thought it wasn't necessary. I didn't know that it will affect you in any way.
Hey, Opoku.
Sibosu say can't drama me. Hey. Obi a mene ge we akeka mene na we bibia ka me betene me nam no. Precious free here o free here. Precious ye me bonsam. Precious is my rich. O ye me painful. Samre ka mene na wura okra ya bibia wi. Na wo ba we ka tem me say me John boy. If you say wo bianca bi nkyere me da say me John akata ni ati say me ka tell me say me John. Give a bet to the master. Okay, me John boy. Bet to the